Hi Red Apple Girls, Ashley here. In this video, I'm going to be creating a makeup look for going out with your girlfriends in the evenings, whether it's drinking wine or going dancing. This look is going to be perfect. So to get started, I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow in the shade called Iced Mocha, and I'm going to be applying this all over my eyelids. Next, I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow in the shade called Chocolate Martini, and I'm going to be using this to smoke out the outer corners. To finish off the eyes, you can now apply your Lash Project mascara. Now, finish off this look by applying the Appley Ever After lipstick. And this is the completed look. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed it and take care. Bye!